Do not tell us that we are corrupt.
Meron pong corruption dito. Masaktan ka na, masaktan ka, I don't care. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Magkano pong binibigay na cash assistance sa bawat surrendery po?
For the MILF, we are giving 100,000
100,000.
unconditional cash transfer.
100,000. Okay, ilan po yung surrendery?
We term it decommissioned, Your Honor.
Hindi, ilan po yung nag-surrender na nabigyan ng 100,000 each?
26,132.
26,132. Ilan po yung baril?
We have 4,625.
4,000. So, 26,000 ang nabigyan ng 100,000 each at ang kapalit ay 4,000 na baril. Hindi ho ba kayo nag-conduct na investigation bakit ganito kalaking discrepancy? At ano po naging result ng inyong investigation? At meron ho bang nanagot? Meron ho bang nasibak?
Sir, actually, sir, that's our demand to the implementing panel, considering that as we have said, we have a security judge.
Sorry sir, sorry. Ang tanong ko po, nag-conduct na ho ba kayo ng investigation? Kasi ang laking pera po dito and discrepancy. 26 versus 4,000. We're talking about the hundreds of millions na dito siguro.
Sir, we investigated the documents of our agreement and we have not seen any document that...
Kaya nga po, yung nag-disburse ng nagbigay ng pera, 100,000 each surrender na umabot ng 26,000, sino po yun? Sino-sino yun? Kasi ang gagawin nyo lang po, 26,000, 100,000 each, 2.6 billion. Tapos 4,000 lang yung baril na, di ba kapalit yan baril, di ba? So, sino ho yung namigay ng pera, nag-abot ng pera, nag-process ng mga surrender?
It was the DSWD who processed, but the IDB...
No, it should not be the DSWD. Dapat kayo po sa military para kayo po nagbe-bet to make sure na ito'y talagang surrendery. Di ba? Bago nyo sana bigyan ng pera, nasa inyong baril. Pera kapalit ng baril. 100,000 po itong pinag-usapan natin, hindi po ito 1,000.
Based on the agreement, Your Honors, we have commissioned the international decommissioning body,
Kaya nga po,
including the Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Kaya nga po, sino nga po itong members, itong mga membro ng body? Ulitin ko po tanong ko huwag na tayo magpaikot-ikot sir. Pag binigyan sila ng 100,000 ng DSWD, dapat may kapalit yan na baril. Tama?
This is not the...
Hindi sir, ganun dapat talaga, di ba? Dapat nagmamatch. Ba't ka magsusurrender kung wala ka namang baril? Kung magawa-gawa lang ng istorya na ako ay MILF.
Your Honor, we are implementing the peace agreement. The peace agreement does not specify.
Well, then sir, ba't kayo pumayag? Then wag nyo sana i-release yung 100,000. Diba sir? Ganun lang kasimple. Hindi nyo sana ni-release yung 100,000 doon sa nagsusurrender na walang baril na kapalit. Ganun lang po yun eh. Kasi kung hindi natin implement yung ganung klaseng polisiya, anybody can come to you and said, ako po yung magsusurrender, ako po yung MILF. Ganun ba? Halika, ito yung 100,000. Punta ka sa DSWD, ito yung papel na pakita mo doon para bigyan 100,000. So, naglulukuhan po tayo. 2.6 billion unaccounted for. Saan po napunta to? Kasi kung ganito rin lang, ako po isa sa mga gagawa na hakbang na bawasan po yung budget ninyo from 7 billion, tumaas pa nga kayo, 1 point something billion. You started with 1.9 billion and now 7 billion. Sa kabila nitong kapalpakan na nangyari. Nabigyan pa kayo ng increase. Kumbaga, ang kakapal naman po ng mukha nyo dyan. Sorry ha, ang kakapal ng mukha nyo. Meron na nangyaring anomalya. Para sa akin, this is a big anomaly. May nangyari ng anomalya, may gana pa kayong humingi ng increase. Baka next year, hingit pa kayo, gawin nyo pang 12 billion. Gawin na natin 50 billion. Gusto mo 100 billion na lang.
Sir, the agreement was made during the time of President Aquino, and we are just implementing the
Oo nga po, sir. Pero nandoon pa sa agreement na kahit na wala kang baril, tumaas ka lang kamay, sabi mo lang MILF ka, bigyan ka 100,000. Nakalagay pa sa agreement na yun, show me.
The agreement says that the 40,000 will be decommissioned. The number of 40,000...
Sir, you're hearing me, but you're not listening to me. Tinutumbok ko po dito yung anomalya. Kasi po, di ba, pag nag-surrender yung isang MILF, na-decommission na siya, o anong patunay na siya ay member ng MILF? Ang isang patunay dyan yung baril para mabigyan siya ng cash assistance na 100,000 pesos. So therefore, pag may pupunta sa inyo dyan, nagsabi MILF, surrendery ako, nasaan yung baril mo? Alam nga ba nang pupunta sila, may dala-dalang batuta lang o may dalang gulok. MILF ako, itong armas ko, gulok. Itong 100,000, hindi man siguro ganun po, di ba? Common sense lang po yun. So malaking anomalya. Kaya nga po, kung ako dapat sa sitwasyon mo, may nasibak na, may nakulong na. Totoo yan. Kasi laki anomalya eh. 40,000 versus 4,000. 46,000 versus 132 versus 4,000.
Follow-up question lang in line with the question of Senator Tulfo. Kanino niya ba binibigay 100,000? Sa surrender ba mismo o sa organization?
Combatant, the IDB fully identified and verified the identity. In fact, they can...
Mismo sa
Yes,
surrendery?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi meron mga aligasyon na merong mga hindi umaabot na total na 100,000, may mga cut pa raw.
Sir,
At hindi talaga buo na 100,000 ang tinatanggap ng mga surrenderies.
based on the decommissioning process, most of them will have the biometrics, Your Honor.
Pinapipirma niya ba na
Yes, yes, sir.
nakakatanggap ng 100,000?
They have the biometrics ID. So it is fully identified by the IDB because the IDB is the one commissioned by the both panels.
Yeah.
And it is being given to the individuals, Your Honor.
Kasi nakakatakot niyan. Pagka sa organisasyon yung binigay 100,000 kada surrender, baka naman lalo silang pinopondohan pa ng gobyerno yung kanilang recruitment plan.
Mr. Chair, okay, pwede magsalit. Ito lang po ang gusto ko mangyari. Gusto ko, kung merong susunod na hearing, yung result ng gagawin yung investigasyon ngayon, sino-sinong involved sa corruption. May corruption dito, whether you like it or not. Meron po, ang laking discrepancy. Mag-imbestiga po kayo, dapat may managot. Ang laking pera po dito ang nawala sa gobyerno.
Your Honor,
Dahil kung hindi po, sa susunod na Senate hearing, patatapyasan ko kayo ng budget.
Your Honor,
You can count on me on that.
I could say that, proudly say that there is no corruption in this decommissioning. We are just following the agreement.
Sir,
Do not tell us that we are corrupt.
I'm not saying you are corrupt. What I'm saying here is, meron pong mga tao dyan sa loob ng inyong organization. I'm not saying you are corrupt. I'm saying there are people there that are not doing their job or maybe they're involved in corruption. Because if they're not involved, common sense lang po ito, Secretary Galvez. Pag nagsabi ka ikaw ay combatant, di ba combatant meaning meron kang baril. So kung meron kang baril, isusurrender mo yung kapalit ng 100,000.
Your Honor, the categories of the firearms is not only individual firearms. We have also cruiser weapons. That cruiser weapons, meron po yung mga 5 o 6 po yung tao na.
Then sana magmamatch pa rin. Isama mo na yung machine gun, isama mo yung cruiser weapon, kung ano pa mga weapon, kasama na dapat din.
But I definitely take offense, Senator, that you are already telling us that there is a corruption. I believe that is not a correct accusation to us.
Well, sir, I'm sorry. I'll stand by what I said. Meron pong corruption dito. Masaktan ka, I don't care. I'm talking on behalf of the taong bayan. Kasi nga, sir, very clear ng discrepancy dahil kung hindi po talaga, kung wala po talagang korupsyon dito, sana nagmamatch tong numbers. Hindi po nagmamatch eh. At saka isa pa, dapat nag-imbestiga na kayo dati pa. Pinaliwanag nyo sa amin yung discrepancy. Ano nangyari? Yun lang po yun eh.
Your Honors,
Kasi we're talking of hundreds of thousands, may mga allegation pa nga, hindi nga natanggap daw yung pera.
Your Honor, we are there. We are validating all
Then prove to us na walang korupsyon. Then sabihin nyo sa amin bakit ganito kalaking discrepancy. Pag napaliwanag mo ng maayos, then babawiin kung sinabi ko rito.
Your Honor,
Mag-apologize pa ako sa iyo. Pero unless hindi mo paliwanag, then I'll stand by what I said, may corruption.
Your Honor, the commissioning body is an international body that really facilitated the decommissioning.
International bodies facilitating, pero sino nag-release ng pera? Tayo, Pilipino. DSWD nag-release ng
Yes,
pera.
but
To the recommendation of the body, kung ano may body yung sinasabi nyo.
actually the body will not say that the individual is already validated, considering that international body is those are experts from
I know, sir, but you're in the military, right? Define combatant.
combatant can be the actual
Yes.
individuals
Yes.
holding the firearms.
Holding firearms. So, ibig sabihin, meron siyang firearms.
Yes.
So
the
your
job-
definition, galing sa'yo, your definition of combatant is someone holding a firearm.
Yes.
So, where is that firearm
Sir,
ng combatant na sumurrender na binigyan 100,000? Dapat magmamatch yan. Galing na mismo sa'yo, combatant is the one holding the firearm.
you have,
Where are the firearms?
sir, ito nga natin sa
Last na sir, Saka isa pa sir, hindi ka ba nabulabog dito? 26,000 surrenderies na bigyan ng 100,000, umabot ng 2.6 billion and 4,000 lang firearms. Kasi kung ako sir, sorry, I'm not saying you're corrupt. Sinabi ko sa loob ng organisasyon. Kung ako sir, mababahala na ako. Kung ako talagang hell break loose.
Sir, I have said earlier that the decommissioning of combatants have many process, including the decommissioning plus the SLW and also the DPAGs. DPAGs are the one in charge on those firearms that we considered as loose that had been given to the MILF and the MNLF. Those firearms that are personally owned, it will have a different program, and we believe.
So ang sinasabi niyo, sir, okay, nabanggit ang kanina personal. So may pupuntang combatant, may baril ako. Hindi ko surrender to kasi personal ko to. Ganun ba yung nangyari? Kaya yun yung difference ng 26,000 to 4,000 lang na baril. Kasi karamihan sa kanila personal, declared as personal firearms. So lang sinabi kanina ni Ma'am Raisa. Or sympathizers.
Yes, Your Honor. That's
Pumayag kayo ng ganon? Eh di dapat, wag nyo bigyan ng 100,000. Dapat pera kapalit ng baril. So, sorry sir, then sabihin natin walang korupsyon. Okay. Then, katangahan. Again, I'm sorry for the word. Sorry for the word. Kasi, sige, tanggapin ko, yung difference is sa 26,000 sa 4,000 ay sapagkat karamihan doon ay may mga baril pero hindi sinurrender sapagkat personal use nila. O ba't tayo pumayag? Kasi kung ako sir, hindi ako papayag. Yun lang po. Sir, mag-imbestiga po kayo sir. I'm not saying again you're corrupt. There is corruption here. Mag-imbestiga po kayo sir and dapat head should roll.